That's funny, eh?
Yeah.
He ditched his car. What are you gonna say about that?
He pissed himself.
I guess. Look. We want the car back! Hey, don't grab it! We want it! Grab it! Grab it! Here! Me and you will cruise down this.
I just hit him with a racer in the head. I hit him in the head with a racer.
Get on it! Here, you gotta see her too. Stupid shit, why would you abandon it?
I hit you with a racer.
You got anything to say to the camera? No. And yourself, Brian.